My name is James Creer with Burr King Manufacturing. Today we are going to take a quick look at the 960-272 grinder, also known as the Knifemaker's grinder. The 960-272 was formerly called the 960-200. The 960-272 features a 2 by 72 inch belt. It comes with an 8-inch contact wheel, or you can order it with a 10-inch contact wheel. The machine we're looking at today has a 1.5 horse motor and a variable speed controller. We use ball door motors. All of our castings are from the US, Kansas City, St. Louis. The machining's all done here. Our contact rubber is all done here in Warsaw, Missouri. So when you purchase a machine like this, you can really feel the quality of an American-made product, and they are built to last a lifetime. The 960-272 sits on a C-face motor. With a 9/16 inch wrench, you will be able to loosen up the nuts that are on the C-face, and the head will pivot. So this gives you great flexibility when you are contact wheel grinding, or to go straight vertical with the machine itself and work off the 10-inch platen. The 960-272 offers quick and easy belt changes. Belt changes are achieved by opening the side guard door, lifting up on the quick change tension release, releasing it, giving the belt a quick pop. There you go. Put the belt back on, reverse the steps. Ratchet up until the machine will track itself when you turn it back on, so there's no need to adjust any of the tracking right now. Many accessories can be added to your 960-272 Knifemaker grinder. We're going to look at a couple of them real quick, show you how to install them on the machine. The first one I want to look at right now is the 965 small wheel attachment. The 965 offers 4 different wheel sizes that can be purchased with it. A 9/16, a 3/4 inch, a 1 inch, or an 1.5 inch. It also comes with a 1444 idler. It's a 2-inch idler that we'll put on the machine here in a second, and a 402 5-inch contact wheel. To change out your front contact wheels on the small wheel, they are simply a light press fit, so you'll be able to just pull them out. When putting the wheels on, make sure that you have the 2 washers. You'll have one on each side. They are more spacing shims, so when you place it on, make sure that you have one on each side. The wheel just snaps right back into place. To install the 965 small wheel attachment, first disconnect your power. Then we will take the belt off of the machine. Remove the contact wheel with a 15/16 wrench. We're going to remove the guarding also. That is done with a 3/16 hex Allen key. We will also be removing the rear idler wheel of this machine to accommodate the 965 small wheel attachment. So we'll take our 3/16 again, release the Allen behind on the shaft, and slide it out. When you take that wheel off, you may want to go ahead and take a little bit of notice where it was sitting, how far away from the guard, how much shaft was showing. It'll help you when you install it back in to make sure your tracking is perfect on the machine. We're going to go ahead now and attach the 965. We're going to slide it over the bearing housing, like so. It also has 2 Allen locks on the back side. So we're just going to snug them up, just like with any Burr King. They are precision made, so you won't have to go ahead and put a lot of tension 1/4 turn is all that you'll usually need. I'm going to worry so much about this angle. It comes preset. When we get the belt on the rest of the way, I will show you how to adjust that. We're now going to take our 402 contact wheel and mount it on the machine. Take your washer and nut that you removed a second ago, place it on the shaft. Go ahead and tighten that up past snug. Now we're ready to go ahead and put our 1444 idler. It has a flat spot on it. You'll want to go ahead and install that with the set screw so you're on the flat spot of that. Most of the time I like to start with about 1/4 inch plus minus, just to get me started when I set one of the machines up from scratch, just to see that's where I want to be. So I'll go ahead and tighten that down in there. We're ready for the belt. Belt goes on the same way. You're going to come across the rear idler, across the front nose, and as you notice there's another 1444 idler there. You're going to go over the top of it and around behind and underneath the 402 contact wheel. Go ahead and apply tension. And as you can see right now we have this large gap which is undesirable. So we need to change the angle of this to better suit our needs for the tighter wrap. So we'll go ahead and loosen the Allens on the back side of the 965 attachment. Go ahead and bring it down. Make sure we got a little bit of slack in the belt there because we have no belt tensioning on it. As you can see we have much tighter wrap now. We can go ahead and snug our Allens back down. Apply belt tension. We are ready to go. Close up the safety door real quick. Now you may have noticed that the angle here isn't one that you appreciate, of course. If you have the machine already, you know it sits on the C-face. We can go ahead and loosen our C-face and get that to a nice workable height for us. Snug it back down and we are ready to go.